especially in this time of a situation, a championship game. And of course, I would like also to congratulate Talk and Text for bringing out the best in us. Both teams deserving to win a championship, but we're more lucky. And I think the experience of the players, yun ang makakapagsabi kung bakit kami nananalo dito sa All Filipino Championship. It's a lot of prestige. And wala akong masabi dahil alam nila kung anong sitwasyon meron kami, especially when it comes to All Filipino Cup.
Coach, kasi ganda ng start nyo kasi sinabol kayo ng TNT, ano lang yung sinabi mo na nag-start dun sa kung na-maintain nyo yung lead eventually?
Yeah, we have to go back to the basic, ginagawa namin, especially sa defense, and then humabol sila, and then they cut it down to 2 points, but I told them na we're still leading, and we have to regroup, and then, ayun, nakita natin, talagang na-strengthen uli yung defense namin, and that causes a lot of turnovers for our opponents, and we're able to stop Calvin Optana. It is the character of the player, especially Chris Ross. He's single-handed niya si Optana, because alam natin Chris Ross, every time in the playoffs, especially in the finals, you can rely on him, especially on defense, and that's what happened.
Nag-dominate ka na yung third or fourth, ano lang yung nangyari, but ano na lang yung naging laro mo kanina?
Kailangan manalo. Kailangan i-din. Kasi nga, nakita ko yung mga teammates ko kung gaano sila pursigido manalo. So, syempre, isa ako sa mga leader ng team. So, kailangan ko na ipakita na ganoon din ako. Gusto ko rin manalo. So, ayun, thankful ako na kina coach, sa lahat ng mga coaching staff, sa mga teammates ko. Yung determination namin na makuha yung game na to. So, andun. So, good thing na nakuha namin.
Kumusta yung tuhod mo kanina?
Okay naman. Di ko na iniinda yung tuhod ko kasi nga, game 6 na. So, gusto namin matapos yung series. So, yeah. Oo nga syempre, isang karangalan na makakuha ng championship, tapos finals MVP, si Don Ramon pa yung nagbigay ng finals MVP yung nag-abot, tapos sa kanya pa to nakapangalan. So isang karangalan, for sure nasa taas ng trophy case ko. So
Coach, look back lang sa conference nyo, halos ano yung mga challenges na hinarap nyo? Kasi kung titignan, ang dami nyo kasing 10 game winning streak, ang dami yung na-accomplish, pero ano yung masasabi mong naging yung parang obstacle nyo for this conference?
Yeah, before the start of the conference, we've gone into the basic principles of defense and offense. Dahil alam ko na there are a lot of teams na getting better and better, so we have to rely on defense. And if you notice, guys, we play a good defense tonight and the other night, because we just give up 77 points and 82 points. Considering our opponent is one of the top teams in terms of scoring, and talagang yung team namin ayaw magpatalo, and every day, so we have to keep on improving, and don't be contented of what we achieve after losing the first 2 games in the elimination. And I think it's a lesson for us, yung 2 games, because we lost in that 2 games because we're too complacent after winning All Filipino Cup. They thought na it's easy to win again, but it's a wake-up call for us. And then our target is first is to get into the top 4, which is happen easily after winning a lot of games against those top teams. And going to the playoffs, alam nila na we have to play harder, and mindset nila iba dahil alam nila ang glory of winning a championship.
Coach, ano naman masabi sa professionalism ni Gilmar? Alam naman natin since dalawang balikat niya nagka-problema, tapos yung tuhod naman niya ngayong finals, hindi nag-deliver pa
Actually, not only Junmar most of the players may mga nararamdaman dahil si Chris Ross and then si Rodney and si Jericho, meron silang iniinda but knowing Junmar, since first championship, may injury siya, wala pipilitin yan, especially sina Chris Ross and dahil sabi nila this is hindi na kailangan pakawalan ito this is an opportunity na talagang it will not happen again and again, so take advantage of it and then si Junmar talagang especially nung last game namin, talagang I'm really afraid kinabahan ako doon, but when I look at him and then I saw a thumb up and then he said okay, I'm okay. That's why that game 12 minutes siya nakaupo. But I'm happy for the team because na-sustain yung lead and then pagpasok ni Junmar, so that's it, it's finished na dahil siyempre na-sustain uli yung yung firepower ng team.
Si Pops talaga nagpilit sa akin na, Junmar, pilitin mo maglaro. Joke lang.
Gilmar, kanina medyo natatawa ka nung sinabi nung si Coach about yung mga adversities nyo. Parang meron ka ano ba yung mga tingin mga adversities nyo in this conference?
Maraming Pero ayun nga, alam namin yung culture ng San Miguel, alam namin yung winning ways ng San Miguel. Before pa kami dumating dito sa San Miguel, alam na namin yung legacy ng San Miguel. So, nandito kami para to continue the winning ways ng San Miguel, to represent San Miguel sa lalo na sa finals. So, syempre, yun isang karangalan na maglaro dito sa San Miguel. So, yun.
Coach Leo, next month pa yung next conference. Medyo matagal yung break pero looking forward to it. Ang masasabi? Naging ba kayo or...
Actually, bukas mayroon na kami schedule ng practice. Joke lang Of course,
Uuwi na ako si Bunga ngayon.
actually, naman
muna ako.
yan ang dilema ko as a coach, ganyan. Dahil, siyempre, after the championship, gusto lahat nila ma-enjoy yung championship and then pupunta sa kanilang pamilya, kung nasa probinsya, yung iba nag-out of town, out of the country. But I will remind them na March 11 is the opening of the next conference and we'll always have the target on our back of the head dahil of course every team whether na yung number 11, number 12 gayon pagkakalaban kami, they are always prepared and we have to be ready next time around dahil it's always like that nag-i-struggle kami pagdating na ng opening ng tournament conference.
Coach, lagi mo sinasabi na lagi kang pinagmumukhang magaling ng mga players mo, pero ano masasabi mo kasi pag ikaw yung coach ng San Miguel, undefeated pa rin kayo sa Philippine Cup final?
Hindi, magaling talaga si Coach Leo. Isa siya sa pinakamagaling na coach dito sa PBA. Hindi lang siya nabibigyan ng masyadong credit. Pati nga siya, sobrang humble niya. Pero ako na magsasabi sa inyo, magaling si Coach. Magaling siya na coach. Siya yung dahilan kaya nananalo ng championship ng San Miguel. So, yun.
Gilmar, tingin mo, ba't magaling si Coach Leo? Pwede mo bang i-elaborate ano ba yung mga
Kaya-
ginagawa niya?
Kaya magaling ako dahil may Junmar ako
Kasi
si Junmar magaling dahil meron ako.
Minsan kasi pinapabayaan niya yung mga players na maglaro. So, ayun, nailalabas ng mga players yung game nila. But at the same time, compose siya. So, and then, nagsa-start yan sa practice. So, tas nadidisiplina niya kami. So,
Coach, gano'n lang kayo inspired itong championship na to heading to Commissioner's Cup? Kasi alam natin last year, medyo maganda yung
Yeah, sometimes it will depend on the kind of import na makukuha mo eh. Dahil pagkuha ng import, swerte-swerte din eh. And I hope na this coming conference, mag-fit yung yung kinukuha naming import. But until now, wala pa kaming nasa sign up na import, And then siguro, after few days, wala muna akong bakasyon dahil talagang alam ko hahanapin ako ng management regarding the import and it is a job whole year round ito but I'm so happy to have this last two championship and then the support of management is really always there especially Boss RSA minsan tumatawag siya sa akin pinapupunta niya ako sa office kung anong pwedeng gawin and then siyempre ganun din siya si Coach Sal pagka nag-start yung finals almost every day nasa practice namin siya.
Coach Benny Boatwright
Benny Boatwright, we keep on contacting him, may communication kami. But the problem with him is, his last game in the elimination in Korea, will last this coming April 8. So, mag-uumpisa tayo March 11. So, probably, mamimiss niya yung at least 4 games. But we don't know yet, baka mamaya bigla mag-opt out siya. So, talagang kinakausap namin sila. But, we're not sure kung siya talaga but last time nakausap ng manager namin sabi he's so excited to come here to come back to the San Miguel but of course may commitment yun doon sa kanyang team
Okay.
Thank you